For the first time, ngayon ako nakaluto, nakakain ng crabs dito. Grabe ka crispy. Naunta. Soy sauce. Suka. Suka asin. Sarap to. Chicken is good.
No.
Naunta mga lads. Sarap. Parang lechon talaga siya. Lechon. Okay. Very crispy. Juicy. Juicy yung ano, at crispy. May sarap sa sauce. Grabe. Tikman natin yung ano, manok. Ang lambot ng manok, oh. Sarap. Nalasahan ko yung lemongrass. Sarap. Lami, Daddy.
Lami.
Good for the hair sauce. Tikman natin itong ano. Lumamig na. Maybe I put in the ano, micro. It's cold.
I know.
Maybe the plate, Daddy. Musas mimig na. Kain tayo. Tikman natin lahat. You know. This is very tasty because it's from the sea, not from the, what is that?
Right?
Mud crab. Mud crab is in the mud. This is from the sea. Blue crab. Yan, sarap mga laps, oh. Tapos natin sa siling maghang. Sarap. Yan, oh. Sarap nito mga loves. I need a, I think mom have there for the, like a clip. Lasang, ano, dagat. Lasang dagat talaga. Grabe. It's been a long time na eat this. Very tasty. Grabe. Nabili namin, 16 euro. Finally, nakakain ako ng crabs. Sarap. Eat. Sarap eh. Tahong.
Oh, really?
Yeah, but we can try. Ito na lang para sa ahos. There's no choice. We don't have.
Ming, I'm sitting here. Das ist mein Platz jetzt.
Sarap. Dami pang kainin. Okay, my love. Thank you for watching this video and follow for more. For those not yet subscribed, please subscribe, like, comments, and share. Okay, Happy New Year and happy birthday to me.
Happy birthday.
Bye-bye. Hey, salute.
Okay.